Hello everyone. Today is meat production day. Got everything set up and ready to go. Got my backwoods seasoning for summer sausage, snack sticks. I'm gonna make mostly snack sticks, some summer sausage, some of my own personal seasonings that I either trim back on the original backwoods and add some of my own. I've also got quite a bit for breakfast sausage that I make. So I've got the venison sitting over on the table. I've got pork shoulders in the freezer. They're not completely frozen, just nice and cool. The venison over on the table is still somewhat frozen. Not completely frozen, but just about the right amount for grinding. So today I'm going to do some time lapse and some occasional videos if and when I come across a section where I might have some tips for you. So stick around for some cutting up, some grinding, some blending, and then finally some good old-fashioned smoking. Okay, so what I've got here is 7 pounds of venison and 3 pounds of pork. So a 70-30 mix. So I've got 10 pounds total. And I'm gonna do, I think that's all I'm gonna do for summer sausage. Just one 10-pound batch. The rest I'm gonna make into deer sticks and breakfast sausage. So each one of these packets does 5 pounds of meat, you see there, and it's got the cure and the seasoning, and it's important to dissolve them in, each one is 5 ounces of water, so I've got 10 ounces of water here. I like to use warm water, it dissolves it much better. I'll mix those packets in and then start mixing it up into the meat. Alright, so before I start stuffing deer sticks, so I've got my 10 pounds of summer sausage done. Before I started stuffing deer sticks, I really like breakfast sausage, so I decided I would make 8 pounds of breakfast sausage. where I went 50% venison, 50% pork, and I just got done mixing up the batch. So I had, what did I have? Three tablespoons of salt, heaping but not heaping. 1 heaping tablespoon of crushed red pepper. 1 tablespoon of marjoram. 1 tablespoon, or no, I think I did 2 tablespoons of ground sage. And I would say 1/3 of a tablespoon of ground clove. And did I say black pepper? I think I've got 2 tablespoons of black pepper in there. Everyone might have a slightly different taste, so I would recommend doing test patties like this. I've already done my first test patty, and I liked it so much, I'm just making a second patty instead of having dinner tonight. So that's where I'm currently at. Good morning. Today is day 2 of meat processing. We've got both the smokers going. We've got the Traeger and the electric. On the Traeger, we got mostly deer sticks and room for 1 summer sausage. The electric, we've got mostly sticks, summer sausage up top. I know the garage floor is a mess. It's winter in Minnesota. Got a couple summer sticks left to put on the smokers. Today I also have to package up the standard backwoods deer sticks. The deer sticks that are currently on here are the backwoods deer stick mix, and I added crushed red pepper and some gourmet garlic seasoning. I also have to vacuum seal. I think I've got 8 pounds of the venison pork breakfast sausage. I had probably, what did I have? I think I had 5 pounds of pork left over after doing everything, so I just made up some breakfast sausage with that pork. Both recipes are very delicious. Myself and my neighbor ate some last night. So we will, I hope to be done with smoking by late tonight. It might go into tomorrow. There's only so much meat you can fit on these, and I smoked for about 7 hours. So we'll keep you updated and see how things go. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 3 of venison production. Yesterday, after about 12 hours of smoking, I think I started about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and actually probably longer than 12 hours. I think I pulled the last batch out probably about 9 o'clock. As I said yesterday, there's only so much meat you can fit on each smoker. So I've got 10 pounds of summer sausage to package up, and I think 24 pounds of sticks to package up. I was doing some taste testing last night, so I've got a little bag of these that I set aside. Good stuff. So I'm gonna get to work packaging this stuff up. I'll probably do a time lapse of that. Maybe a short video of it so you can see how the vacuum sealer works. And we'll catch up to you when we're all done. This is the process. You use just a full roll of open-end bag, cut it, seal the one end. Obviously you can buy just standard bags that are sealed, but it's cheaper to buy these long rolls. I don't know, what do I have, 25, 30 feet worth of bag. Maybe it's 50. I think this one was probably 50 feet worth of bag. So it seals the bottom. Put in your meatses. And when you order the bags, it pays to do a little bit of pre-measuring, so I know that my summer sausage is, you know, X inches long. Make sure I buy the bag that's got that width. Let's get them in there. I cut that bag a little bit too long, or longer than necessary. Lock it down. Start. And nice, good seal. Alright, so I just finished up the 10 pounds of summer sausage. I'll get those out of the way, and we'll move on to all the sticks, package them up. But before we do that, I wanted to tell you about something I tried for the first time. When you're making summer sausage or sticks and you're using a stuffer, obviously you've got the bottom of the stuffer and the tube that when you're finished you have to extract that out of the tube and out of the bottom of the stuffer. And what I used to do a lot of times was just throw it in the frying pan and fry it up and eat it that way. But yesterday, after I was done with the sticks, I decided to make some of the leftovers into a patty. You can see a small patty and a larger patty. And I threw it on the Traeger with the sticks and some other jerky that I had mixed up and smoked it. I don't know exactly how long I did smoke it. You can tell by how dry or hard it feels when it's done. But this stuff turned out great. I just tried some about 15-20 minutes ago, and it is absolutely delicious. So if you're ever wondering what to do with those scraps, Well, here we are, all done. Just got a little bit of cleanup to do. We've got 24 pounds of sticks, 10 pounds of summer sausage, and we've got the breakfast sausage that I did the other day, a little bit of jerky, and if you don't mind doing 2.5 days of hard work, I think it's well worth it. Once you find a recipe that you like, or a mix that you like, it's well worth doing this by yourself, and you get to snack on stuff and try things in between. But if there's any questions you have, anything that I didn't cover that great, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.